Any man can leave an indelible impression on any woman, provided the setting is conducive. It's an undeniable truth. All you need to do is navigate the situation adeptly, and she'll be drawn to you like a magnet. In this video, I've compiled 7 essential tips that will equip you with the strategies needed to make her long for your presence intensely. These tips are designed to help you create a longing in her that's beyond compare. So let's get started. Number 1. Be veritable and true. It's all about authenticity. Being genuine and true to yourself is the cornerstone of any meaningful connection. When you're authentic, you're not trying to be someone you're not. You're comfortable in your own skin, and this builds trust. It creates a safe space for both of you to be vulnerable, which is where the deepest emotional bonds are formed. Number 2. Make paramount encounters. These are the moments that stick, the ones that etch themselves into her memory. It could be a surprise date to her favorite spot, a heartfelt gesture, or simply being present in a way that makes her feel truly cherished. These encounters create a tapestry of shared experiences that she'll replay in her mind even when you're not physically there. Number 3. Maintain healthy communication, which is an absolute cornerstone of any healthy relationship. It's not just about talking, it's about truly listening and understanding each other. It's about being present, both in the good times and the challenging moments. Healthy communication fosters a sense of being seen and heard, which is a powerful force in making her miss you when you're not around. Number 4. Show interest in their life. Let's talk about showing genuine interest in her life. This is like watering a plant. It nourishes the relationship and helps it grow. When you take the time to understand her dreams, her fears, and the little details of her day-to-day life, it sends a powerful message that she matters. It creates a strong emotional connection that lingers in her thoughts long after you've parted ways. Number 5. Allow them some space. Giving her space might sound counterintuitive, but it's a crucial aspect of any healthy relationship. It's about respecting her independence and acknowledging that you both have lives outside of the relationship. It shows that you trust in the strength of your connection, and it gives her room to miss you, to yearn for your presence. Number 6. Be a source of positivity. Positivity is like sunshine in a relationship. When you bring a positive attitude into the relationship, it creates an environment where both of you feel uplifted and supported. It's about being a source of light even on rainy days, and this positivity will resonate in her heart, making her yearn for your company. Number 7. Leave them wanting more. Leaving her wanting more. It's like a perfectly crafted cliffhanger in a story. When you leave her with a sense of anticipation, a hunger for the next moment you'll share, it keeps the fire alive. It keeps her thoughts occupied with you, creating a longing that's hard to ignore. Remember, building a strong connection takes time and effort from both sides. So, be patient and enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more relationship tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.